In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add product categories in Shopify. So, to add product categories, this is something you will usually see when you create your product or when you want to customize a specific product. Now, when you look over here on the left side, you have your different features over here. Simply click on product to be able to view the different products or the product sub options. As you can see here, you have your collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, and gift cards. As you can see, the option product categories cannot be found here. It will be found when you view a product or when you create a product. So let's view one of our product over here. I have created two products over here. If I select this, we will be able to see the details that we would usually see when we are creating a specific product. And scrolling down, you have over here on the right side, you have your product category. And if you select this, you will be able to choose a specific product category of the product that you are trying to sell. You have your different product categories over here. You can browse all, and you will be able to see all of it over here. So simply select one or select the corresponding category of your product. Keep in mind, you have to select the correct category because this will allow you to get more sales because people would usually search by category. For example, they would like to search for products related to animals and pets, and they will be able to search that. And if your product is related to that and is having the correct product category, they will be able to view much faster. Therefore, a you will be able to gain more sales. So simply select the one, and as you can see, product category has been selected, and simply click on save, and it will be saved as your product category. There we go. Now we have our product category over here, and if we go back as well, you will be able to see that option and click on add product over here. You will be able to see the same option over here on the right side. As you can see, product category. Then simply select the option that you want. You can also change it. As you can see, you click on the arrow. You can select something more specific. Right now, we're selecting the arts and entertainment. You can have it as event and stickers, or you could select even the hobbies, and then you have your arts and craft over here. It can be more specific, and you can simply select the specific category that you want. So you could name this product number 3. Let's simply click on save, and we will be redirected. Let's go back to our homepage for the products. As you can see here, you have now 3 products, and you will be able to see over here on the types, you have your animals and pets, and then you have your arts and craft materials over here. You will be able to see the specific category of the product that you have just created. And it's very simple. That's all you need to do. And I think you will be able to view it as well when they view your store. So let's actually view our store right now so that we get to check out if we will be able to see the specific category of our product when we actually open them and preview them on our store. So let's wait for it to open. There we go. We have our product over here. Simply select this. And as you can see here, it's not appearing over here. It depends on your settings for your store. But I believe there will be an option in the customized part over here that would allow you to see the specific category of the product. And that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.